Hello, the MFG team is in touch. In this mini tutorial, we will look at how to connect two cylinders without artifacts. Hide the test mesh, go to right view, free on numpad. Let's create a cylinder with 32 vertices, then create a circle with 20 vertices. Scale it, rotate it along the y-axis, r plus y plus 90. Scale it a little more, something like this. G plus X, slide it out, press F to fill in the empty space. Let's make an insert and delete the faces. Free on numpad.
We see that the scale and rotation are not in the values that we need. Ctrl plus A, rotation, Ctrl plus A, scale.
Now add a shrink wrap modifier to the new cylinder. With the target we indicate the old cylinder and we see that the new cylinder does not magnetize as it should. Wrap method, choose a project. Instead of the positive button, select the negative. Apply. Select the old cylinder and add two loops to frame the new cylinder. Select the faces on the first cylinder that interact with the new cylinder and delete them. Merge these two objects by using the Ctrl plus J case. Now let's check the normals. Everything is fine. Let's fill in the empty space. Select two adjacent faces and fill them with the F button. Do the same from below. Now our task is to create as square grid as it possible. Add a new loop, Ctrl plus R, with the Ctrl magnetize the vertices. Make sure you have a vertex magnet. Ctrl plus R, magnet, Ctrl plus R, magnet, Ctrl plus R, magnet. Once again. That's all, fill in the empty space again. F, F. Similarly on the other side. Select the vertices, extrude along X. We see that these vertices have taken the form that was originally. It doesn't suit us, we have to align them. S plus X plus 0, fill in the empty space. Now we need to put down chamfers. Let's select in advance those edges and faces on which there will be chamfers. In Edit mode, in the Item tab, mean bevel weight is set to 1. We add two iterations of the subdivision in the object mode throughout the key combination Ctrl plus 2. Above the subdivision modifier will be the bevel modifier. We set the limit method not by the angle, but by the weights that we set in advance. Put two segments. Shade smooth. We see that the chamfer are quite soft, but we need to reduce them a little. In the amount parameter, we can either manually enter the value, or by eye. And now we made two cylinders without artifacts. If you're not subscribed, please do so. If you'd like the video, like it. See you again.